Good day everyone! Welcome back to our channel. We have come to the sixth video of part of speech, and for today we're going to discuss about preposition. But before we get to the content, make sure that you have subscribed to our channel and also turn on that notification bell so in case we upload a new video, you will not be missing it and we can always stay in touch. To start off, let us tell you the definition of preposition taken from Oxford Learner's Dictionary. So preposition is a word or a group of words such as in, from, to, out of, and on behalf of, used before a noun or pronoun to show place, position, time, or method. But for today, we're going to tell you about the preposition of time and place only. And then from these two categories, both of them have similar hierarchy of the preposition, which are in, on, and at. As you can see from your screen, the circle for the word in is the largest, and on is in the middle, and at would be the smallest. It actually represents the real function and the real feature of each preposition, and you will find out more in this video. Let's talk about the preposition of time, in. So in, being the largest in the terms of time, is covering the year, month, season, past, present, future, century, decade, and also time period. Keep in mind that the word in is the largest one in this category. So to put it into examples, we can see that I love to go skiing in the winter. Winter is the name of a season. And also, I got some eggs and bacon for breakfast in the morning. The morning is a period of time. Okay, so those are two examples of the use of in. Going to the next one is the middle one, which is on. On is used to state days, dates, holidays, and National International Day. For example, I made my mom a cup of cocoa on Mother's Day. We know when Mother's Day is. And then, my dad bought me a beautiful dress on my birthday. We also know when our birthday is. It is one exact date. That's why on your birthday or on Mother's Day, Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, whatever it is, we use the preposition of time, on. The last one would be at. As the smallest, at is the most specific one. It is like the youngest, the smallest. And at is used to indicate specific hours, night, noon, and midday, and also a specific period of time. For example, last night I slept at midnight. We know that midnight is 12 a.m. And then I always ride my bike at 9 o'clock. Going into the second category, which is place, it also has the same hierarchy as time, which are in, on, and at. In, being the largest, is used to indicate a country, city, or a state of being inside a vehicle. To put it into examples, you can see that I saw the Big Ben when I was in England. I saw the Big Ben when I was in England. England is the name of the country, right? And then she couldn't pick up her call because she was in a taxi. In this sentence, she, as a person, is in the state of being inside a vehicle, which is taxi. And the second one is on. On is used to indicate a street name or a vehicle, or maybe something that you step on. For example, they always have a morning walk on the 6th Street. 6th Street is the name of a street. And then the second one is, why is she sitting on the floor? Why is she sitting on the floor? This is actually a common mistake because some people used to say in the floor. It's incorrect because when you use into a specific place like that, it would be the state that you be inside of it. You cannot be inside the floor. You cannot be inside the earth because inside the floor it would be concrete, and inside the floor it would be a very hot magma and everything. And the last one is at. At is similar to the preposition of time, is used to indicate the specific places. Why is it places? Because we're talking about preposition of place. And then, for example, you can see that she went shopping at Supermall Karawaci. Supermall Karawaci is a proper noun. It's a mall in Indonesia. And then because you use a proper noun there, you have to use at because there's only one place for Supermall Karawaci to work. It's specific. And then the second one is, my sister learns to golf at a golf court. It is also at because it used to indicate that she is being there at that time. It's specific. You know it, okay? And so far, that's all that we can tell you. To sum up that learning preposition is quite tricky, but with a lot of exercises, we believe that you can do it. And to remind you again, the largest one would be in, followed by on, and the last one would be at. In being the largest, on in the middle, and at is the most specific one. If you guys have any questions about our material or anything is unclear, feel free to reach us on Instagram or by leaving the comment down below. Don't forget to click on that description box because we have listed all the contact information there, and we hope to see you on the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.